Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy holidays from Farmer George. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a Ristra. It's not typically made for Christmas or the holidays, but rather made in the summertime when you can dry these peppers outside. But on this episode of Farmer George, I'm going to show you a little technique on how to dry long, skinny peppers like cayenne peppers, not in your oven and not using a dehydrator. So let's go to the kitchen and see how we do it.
So what you're going to need are a bunch of peppers here. Not too many for me because these were the last bit of peppers from my cayenne pepper plant before I got rid of them. Key thing to note, when you're making a ristra, you want to use long, slender peppers like cayennes. I'm just going to do a little experiment to see if we can dry this Trinidad and Ruga scorpion. Next thing you're going to need is a needle and thread, and you poke your needle through the base of the stem. Be careful not to poke yourself. And you just pull it on through. So just slide the pepper on down all the way to the bottom and then tie it off just like that. Okay? And then you're going to do your next one. You poke it right through the bottom right here. And there you go. See, it's like right in the middle of the stem. And you slide it all the way down. And traditional ristras are done in groups of 3. So we're going to do 3 cayenne peppers. Then you want to wrap the string around a few times to make sure that you secure these peppers. Pass it right up there and not get it through my thumb because that would suck. There you go, you got your first little knot right in the middle right there. So I want to repeat this step 2 more times. Remember poking it through the bottom and then wrapping it around one time around the stems of the triple pepper there, and then bringing the thread through the middle so the thread comes right back up the top. Alright, the second one's on there. And there's the last set. So I have just enough to spare, and this kind of looks like mistletoe, and that's perfect because it's just in time for Christmas. So I'm just going to hang this up probably in my kitchen because, you know, that's a natural place for peppers to be. I've done this with a different type of cayenne pepper in the past. These are a little thicker walled, so I'm not too sure that they're going to hold up, but this is definitely the design that I'm looking for, and I hope you guys enjoy. And there you have it, just hanging in my kitchen. So hopefully it'll dry, and it'll take a couple months, but you know, by springtime I'll have some nice dry peppers. And what I like to do in the past is just if I'm having like a pizza or something, I'll take off one of the peppers. If I'm making pasta sauce, take off one of the peppers, just grind it up, and there you go, fresh ground pepper, and it's fresh as you can get.
Well, that's about it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. These cayenne peppers, I think I said this in the video, they're a little thicker than the cayennes I used in the past, hoping they'll still dry out. I was thinking about putting it up as mistletoe. It kind of looks like mistletoe, but I don't think my wife will go for that, hanging some peppers in the middle of our doorway. If you do this and you start to see a little mold or rot, take those peppers off right away, and you don't want to infect or contribute to other peppers rotting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can subscribe by hitting this pepper logo up there, Farmer George on the orange pepper. It'll help me out. I'm almost at 100. Hopefully this video puts me over 100 subscribers. I think I'm at like 98. I hope everybody has safe, happy holidays. As always, let's share and grow together. And Merry Christmas and happy holidays from my family to yours.